bodies and hard exskeleton. The name comes from the Greek word at artron, joint, and prodos foot. Literally meaning jointed feet. It is the largest and most diverse atom in the animal kingdom with over 85% of all non-animal species being arthropods. Arthropods kay kasagaran naman nila kay insect, for example, bees, butterfly, tas kanang mga crabs na exoskeleton kanang kuan nasa kanang presa crab na sa buko ba to? Nagahi. Ito siya yung anak, may exotic ba din ang lobster, wala yung mga arthropods na wala sila yung pangbuang. As one, ang arthropods kay divide siya sa duha ka bulok. Ang atro main joint niya ang prodos foot.
Circulatory system. Arthropods ang open circulatory system or called
Hemolymph circulates freely in a body created of the fuel dorsal tubular heart pumps the hemolymph forward and it flow back through open spaces directly batting the organs and insects. The hemolymph does not typically transport oxygen.
May example niya kay ang fireflies na
respiratory system. Most terrestrial arthropods like insects usually clean system of gas exchange. This network of airplane tubes that branch throughout the body, small pores on the body surface called spiral allow air to enter oxygen diffuse directly to the tissue, bypass the needed for the circulatory system to transport oxygen.
Digestive system. Arthropods have a complete digestive system which is a one-way through its mouth and anus. Ang kuan digestive system kay usa ra agyanan sa bara gawas ang itlog pwede ang gikalibang.
for example, ang grasshopper niya, di ba siya? Nervous system. The arthropod nervous system is the centralized but decentralized compared to vertebrates, meaning that glandia in each segment can control the guy's function independently of the brain.
Ang nervous system is karang mag-control siyang lawas. Auto.
So, iba-iba sila sa depende sa
Pwede po mag-pump sa iba-iba. cells and the secreted non-living cuticle. Ang mao ni ang ginatubuan sa mga balhig o buhok nila. Buhok.
Endocrine system. The endocrine system controls the timing of molting and reproduction using hormones and others.
Endocrine man.
Endocrine system kay ang nag-control sa timing of molting ang pag-ilis
Mao ning
o
nag-control
panit.
sa mga hormones kung asa mo o sa ikon sa mga body nila.
Sigamit.
Sa gamit sa kaloob. Dahil sila paggamit.
Hindi ko gusto. Kanino? Kanino?
Ang hormones sa pag di ba ang butterfly caterpillar to butterfly na last reproductive system.
Reproductive system also not the process is for sex and reproduction sexual. The reproductive system is located vertically and often involve the transfer of cell, sperm, packet, or spermatozoids.